All right, so Sawyer and I are testing this thing. We've got some paracord here that is also supposed to be a fire starter. So when you fry it apart, you can see the red cord. That's supposed to be our fire starter. And you got your regular paracord stuff, and I think that yellow one's supposed to be a fishing line or something. And we've got our portable camp stove that we've got loaded up with twigs and sticks. You can also flip this piece upside down, which will make it taller, and use a little tray with it for the little alcohol cubes. But we're just testing this, and we thought James would think this is a cool video, and Ben and Adeline and Luke and whoever else. So we are kind of just playing right now. So we're gonna try to boil some water, and we're gonna see if that'll happen. So I'm gonna pause this, and we're gonna organize our fire here a little bit better. We're using a stick we found in the yard.
It's on fire.
Probably needed some smaller tinder.
Ah.
Hey, well, we'll give it a go. All right, be careful with the fumes, son. Be careful with the fumes, son.
That's cool.
This stuff does burn pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we should have used some more of it. It's still going. All right, go ahead and pause it. Look, this is important. In a survival situation, I might have to make easy mac on this.
No. No.
Jillian thinks I should be putting gas in the mower. But look at this fire. I could be making easy mac, and it's about lunchtime. Alright, so we're going to see if we put enough fuel in there to boil the water. But in principle, this should work. The cup I got is too small for my stove. So that's why we had to have the extra pan. It may dissipate too much heat. But right now it's looking pretty cool.
It's bubbling. Oh, that's cool.
So they sell little alcohol tabs for these, and maybe that's the way to go instead of the sticks. But another handy piece of survival gear to have is your handy little handheld propane torch. So this is something that you definitely should not be without in your survival backpack. And you just simply turn on the knob here, and it would just ignite the fire and get it burning good. There we go. Okay, so always an essential item to have in your backpack. Just get a nice flame going with the torch. And then we're gonna put our pan on here, and we're gonna see how this goes. All right, so here you have it with your survival water boiling. Got a nice rolling boil now. Definitely just off of using the sticks and totally not using this propane handheld torch. But now, once you get that done, you can see you can use this to cook with or do whatever. Make some hot chocolate. Thanks for joining me and Sawyer today on the survival cooking show. It's been great, and we totally know what we're doing.